the given problem, we are asked to achieve a good stability. Where is the center of the mass of the car? So, stability is a measure of how likely it is possible for an object to topple over when pushed or moved. Now, stable objects are very difficult to topple over, and this stability is affected by two factors. One is the width of the base, and the second is the height of the center of its mass. Now, if the width of the base is very large, stability is very high, and if the height of the center of mass is very low, the stability